This is the ultimate guide for Airbnb hosts to make more money. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 8 steps that are guaranteed to increase your earnings. If you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do within the next 15 minutes that'll be worth over $500. Let's dive right in with step number 1, which is to, get more bookings. Now, I know this kind of goes without saying, but if you want to make more money on Airbnb, then step number 1 is to get a bunch of bookings. And if you want to see a video that walks through exactly how to do that, check out this video right here. But if you want the 80-20, here it is. Make sure you've got great professional photos, create a listing headline that makes people click through, and make sure your description includes all the details guests are going to want to know. Once that's done, your next step is going to be to optimize your pricing. Now, I gotta tell you, of all the steps in this video, optimizing your pricing is by far the best way to make more money. Optimizing your prices is basically just free money. You've got to set your rates somewhere, so why not set them at the price where they'll make you the most profit? But optimizing your prices isn't just one step. It's actually 3, and the first 2 are by far the most important. So let's break it down. First, you've got to figure out something called your booking lead time. Your booking lead time tells you how far in advance guests book properties like yours. For smaller properties, this tends to be more last minute, whereas for larger properties, it tends to be farther in advance. You can get this data from sites like Airbnb or by using a pricing tool like PriceLabs. Next, once you know your booking lead time, you've got to check whether you're overbooked or underbooked for each month of the year. And then the final step is to dial in those rates. If you're overbooked, then that's your sign to raise your rates. Otherwise, you're leaving free money on the table. If you're underbooked, then you know you've got to lower your rates or you'll risk not getting booked at all. Keeping track of this for every single month of the year can get kind of complicated though. So if you want a simple tool to keep track of everything, check out B&B Tribe. You'll get easy to follow training on everything covered in this video. Plus, you'll get lifetime access to my custom built pricing tool that's insanely easy to use. If you want to check it out, it'll be the top link in the description down below. Okay, so now that you've optimized your pricing, wait, I almost forgot to tell you about the secret trick that's almost guaranteed to make you more money. Instead of manually lowering your prices, do this instead. Go into your Airbnb hosting dashboard and navigate to your calendar. Select some dates and click on promotions. Now you'll be able to lower your rates with one of Airbnb's custom promotions. This way, you'll get extra perks like slash through pricing and additional exposure. If you're already lowering your prices, you might as well get some free perks for doing it. Okay, so you've gotten more bookings, you've optimized your rates, and you're using Airbnb promotions. Now it's time to lower that cleaning fee. Seriously, I know this seems counterintuitive, but lowering your cleaning fee on Airbnb will often make you more money. The reality is that guests hate extra fees, so much so that a high cleaning fee will often drive guests away, even if the total cost of the stay is the same. Simple solution, lower your cleaning fee. Sure, you may need to cover some of the costs of your cleaning out of pocket, but what would you rather? A big booking with a small cleaning fee or no booking at all? Lowering your cleaning fee is the better way to go. All right, so now we've covered 4 easy ways to make more money. But if you want to take it even further, these next 3 tips are even more powerful and barely require any work. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you hands down my favorite way to make more money. Now, every time I tell a host to lower their cleaning fee, I get pushback. And I get it. No one wants to be covering expenses out of pocket. So let's quickly talk about lowering your expenses. After all, that's at least half of what it takes to actually make more money. For starters, let's talk about cleaning expenses. Want to cut them in half? Find a company that's hard to find. The less web presence a company has, the better. Hard-to-find companies often charge less, value your business more, and are more reliable. So take a few minutes to search through Facebook groups. Ask your neighbors if they know a reliable cleaning person. Spending some extra time here can save you thousands in the long run. Once you've got a good, reliable cleaner with reasonable rates, Help make their job easier. Trade out the crappy old washing machine for a high-capacity one. Buy extra sets of linens. Get them a good vacuum cleaner. Your cleaners and your bank account will thank you. Another big expense item when it comes to short-term rentals is maintenance. Especially if you've got an older home listing, you know what I'm talking about. Breaks. Want to save a few $1,000s this year on maintenance and guest refunds? Hire a local handyman to stop by at least once a week. Have them take care of your yard maintenance, and while they're there, have them check over the property from top to bottom. If they notice anything that needs repair, take care of it now. Preventative maintenance costs way less than replacement, and fixing stuff before it breaks will make your guests happier and lead to fewer refunds. And finally, my absolute favorite way to make more money with your Airbnb is by giving less money to old Uncle Sam. If you love paying taxes, then you may want to leave this video now. But if you'd rather avoid it legally, if you can, then check this out. By self-managing your Airbnb, you may qualify for something called the Real Estate Professional Tax Designation. If you do, it allows you to offset your earned income with property depreciation. And doing this can easily save you thousands on your next tax bill. And by the way, if what I just said was gibberish to you, then check out B&B Tribe. Alongside all of the other awesome training in B&B Tribe, we've also teamed up with a tax firm that specializes in short-term rentals. They've got awesome training right in B&B Tribe that'll show you how to save thousands of dollars on your next tax bill. For just $49 per month, you'll get access to everything you need to make and keep more money with your Airbnb. You'll also get access to over $4,000 worth of perks and savings, plus an awesome community of fellow hosts. So if you want to take the easy road to leveling up your Airbnb this year, then click the link in the description down below and check out B&B Tribe. As always, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.